NopCommerce has been a reliable platform for many businesses, offering open source flexibility and solid set of features. However, if you're on the NopCommerce platform, as your business grows, you will experience certain limitations. When we look at websites and technologies that run on NopCommerce, we see businesses that do a few $100,000 all the way to tens of millions of dollars in annual revenue. These businesses surely experience challenges with scalability, with custom functionalities, and the need for extensive developer resources, which means that this is an open source platform, but you need developers to do everything. The entire platform and the infrastructure is as stable as the amount of resources that you can put on developers. This actually reminds me of technologies like OS Commerce and Xcart back in the day if you were building e-commerce businesses in the early 2000s. These open source solutions were incredibly robust, but the more you customized it, the more unstable it would get. So in my professional experience, NopCommerce is the same. So if you're on the NopCommerce platform and you're doing more than $1 million in annual revenue, Shopify Plus is a cloud-native platform, and cloud is the keyword here, where you can scale anywhere from a few $100,000 to $500 million in annual sales without replatforming, without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on customization, and without trying to manually build all these integrations with the third parties that you're going to need as you scale your e-commerce business. And scalability is one of the biggest advantages of Shopify Plus. With a platform like NopCommerce, scaling means you need to invest into developers, custom functionality that comes with project managers, business analysts, that comes with all the engineers, because most functionalities that you're going to need for your business operations are going to be custom, and those need to be custom coded. When we talk about custom coding, it gets expensive. You need to have the server and the security infrastructure, and you need to make sure that all of these custom functionalities work with one another. Because if you break your product page, your checkout will break. If you try to add a search and filter functionality, your product page will break. Somebody always needs to be QAing this entire platform. This is why it reminds me of Xcart, OS Commerce, even Magento. Now, why did cloud-native platforms like Shopify and Shopify Plus become very, very successful? For this very reason, scalability. Because let's face it, it's a pain to migrate from one platform to another. Ease of use and the advanced UI UX capabilities on Shopify Plus is also another reason why this is a great alternative to NopCommerce. Shopify's admin panel is very robust. It's used by millions of people, and there's no need for extensive training or a steep learning curve for you to actually operate an e-commerce site on Shopify. Shopify Plus is a game changer when it's compared to NopCommerce's backend admin panels and the way that NopCommerce's template structure works. Now, you might ask this legitimate question. If NopCommerce is so bad, why do so many businesses that do millions of dollars choose this platform? If I have to give one simple answer, it would be that they started using this platform in the beginning and they never really migrated to another platform. So they scaled or tried to scale with NopCommerce platform. Or it was a very controlled business and they wanted to own the source code. This is why they went to a solution like NopCommerce. But again, it depends on your priorities. In this day and age, your priority should be to scale. And if you want to scale, you need to be on a cloud-native platform. So you can choose to have an open source platform like NopCommerce, own the code, and spend money on customizing it with developers, or you can be on a platform like Shopify Plus and you don't own the code and you have to rent that technology from Shopify, which is cloud native, and you don't have to spend a ton of money on developers because there are so many apps and so many integrations that come out of the box with Shopify Plus. Now, I'm not saying that you don't have to ever do custom functionality with Shopify Plus, but the amount of custom stuff you're gonna do is slim compared to a platform like NopCommerce. You should not be the technical expert on your website. You should be busy working on your business and growing your business instead of worrying about which developer is gonna do what functionality on your website. And if you look at a tool like builtwith.com that analyzes the migration statistics from one technology to another, you're gonna see that a lot of NopCommerce customers have migrated to platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce in the past 36 months. Why is that? Because people are realizing that there's a better solution out there that is more scalable. In conclusion, while NopCommerce has served as a very legitimate solution for many businesses, there is going to be a time where you grow out of NopCommerce. Shopify Plus has spent $1.3 billion in 2023 on research and development. Their investment is going to show in the next 36 months. If you are considering a migration from NopCommerce to Shopify Plus, contact us at Optimum7 and we will be happy to guide you in the right direction.